People ask if Rusty likes to ride. He just has to use a word. Come on, buddy. So let's go. Yeah, good kid. Yeah. Hey, what's up, E-Pups? Welcome back. Happy Saturday. It's a beautiful day here in Maryland. So today's gonna be an awesome ride. We're on our way back to DC, which I'm excited for. We haven't been in DC since December. That's crazy. It doesn't feel like that long. We're gonna be part of a DC ESK8 event. I'm really looking forward to it. There's gonna be a ton of electric vehicles there, skateboards, one wheels, scooters, e-bikes. I don't know how many people, but it's probably gonna be huge. This is the first event of the year. So super duper looking forward to that. And so is Rusty. But yeah, ride with us. Make sure you subscribe. Use the code RustyRoads if you're interested in an Ariel Rider, which at the end of this video you may be, because this is our first group ride with the all-new, super powerful, 1,000 watt, double suspension, 52 volt Ariel Rider X Class in black, baby. Now you tell me, is this the bike Batman would ride if he had an e-bike? My goodness. And then we got our blue baby as well. We're leaving the red one at home because, for comparison's sake, I wanted to bring the blue one because it's closer to stock as far as the handlebars. It has less accessories on it. It doesn't have the rack, which kind of weighs a little bit. So this should be the fairest comparison. I'm so excited to see how the ride goes today. But just to have my first experience with the 52 volt X Class, I'm so excited. One thing I noticed last night on my first quick ride, that throttle delay is pretty much gone. So if you like that, that's great. And if you don't like that, I understand, because I've gotten used to the thumb throttle with that little bit of delay. So I gotta make sure I take it easy today. Hit that like button, subscribe. We'll see y'all in a bit. Come on, Rusty. His friend's here. Yeah.
Rusty!
What up, what up?
What's up, man?
What's up, Doug? How's it going,
Good.
bro?
What up?
What's up, bro? What's up?
Man.
What's up, Phil? How's it going?
What's going on?
Rusty, come on.
Rusty. Rusty.
Come on, this way. Yeah, when I came up into the parking lot, something scraped. I think it was the bottom of the hitch.
Oh, the bottom. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Bottom.
But this thing's sturdy, man. It's so easy to load the bikes up too.
200 pounds.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, though.
Black finish is nice though.
Yeah, it's the X52, y'all.
This is nice.
That's my
Yeah, that's why
baby.
you put picture with this.
Yeah, nice little touch right there. Here, let me grab Rusty real quick. Hey, you, come here. Oh, he's pooping. Privacy. No, it's not too heavy.
Wow, it's
Yeah,
not bad at all.
The power to weight ratio is kind of scary.
It's not heavy though.
This shit is instant. Because remember, the other one has the thumb throttle.
Yeah.
Y'all want to give it a try in the parking lot? All right. Hopefully this battery doesn't cut off again.
Why would it cut off? You just got it.
Nah, the camera.
Oh, okay.
All right. So who wants to go for a spin real quick? Yeah. I'm a nice guy, y'all. I'm letting everybody else ride before I ride.
So yeah,
so this thing is instantaneous, bro.
Okay, let me get out of the way.
I almost rode into a bush.
Yeah, he rode my Onyx, so like you're just
Oh,
same
okay.
thing. No, I'm saying same thing.
Press and hold that bottom button right there. So it's in pedal assist 1 now, so you can pedal or you can just give it a little throttle.
Oh, nice, smooth. These tires are nice.
Yeah. Got all the bikes out here. Man, I can't wait.
First time we're all on time.
Got 2 supers, got a rad, we got an electric, and we got 2 ARs. Oh yeah. And the weather is so nice.
Very smooth. I thought I would use my water. Yeah, you can leave it up. You can leave it up.
All right, so Doug loves it. Now we got the homie Phil going on it. I actually gotta check the tire pressure before we go. I haven't checked that yet.
Oh my God, that is definitely smooth, right? And you're up higher too. All right, here we go.
You almost went into a bush too.
He took off.
I wanna try too.
Of course, bro. Phil stole my bike. He's gone. He's gone. He's at the light. He's making the left. Well, I guess I have a Super 73 now. Or two of them. Yeah. Still working on those brakes to quiet up. Nice, huh? Yeah. You want to give it a shot, George?
Yeah, I wanna try it.
Yeah, of course, bro.
Instant torque.
Oh, George's putting his helmet on. He's leaving.
Just for safe. I haven't rolled
So this is what, safety, right?
1,000 watts, so. No. But
Got the homie Alec too. What's up, bro?
you tighten and it was just loose.
We got Scott.
So I retightened it, but I'm
Oh,
oh shit.
Yeah, turn it that way so you don't go into my car.
yeah, you might want to aim it that way.
I forgot it's
Yeah, turn it the other way so you don't run into my car. It's gonna take off on you.
It's gonna be a lot of shit to get used to for me. This thing is torquey. Look at that beefy ass motor. Look at that motor.
This is scary, man.
Let's do that again. Look at that motor. Beefy,
Burn out.
beefy.
No, don't.
No burnouts.
No burnout.
Brand new grippy tires.
Man, this is scary. I just pedals this one.
All right. I gotta take it easy on the brakes today so I can break them in.
Yeah.
I went out last night and did some betting, but
Alright, AR, so I'm ordering one this week.
yeah, use that code Rusty Roads,
I
bro.
will. Order one this week.
Got that test drive.
I got it, so easy to carry around.
Yeah, it's light, man. The power to weight ratio is kind of scary.
How much does this thing weigh?
Like 75, 76 pounds.
Damn!
Yeah. It's a beast.
It's because of this, or the way they made this? It was made out of carbon fiber? Why is it so light?
It is light though.
I mean, that's what most e-bikes like this typically weigh. It's only got one battery
Oh, okay. Yeah.
and one motor.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
mostly 7 pounds. But that's a beast motor, though.
Yeah, that thing's definitely chunkier than the blue one.
Yeah, the most
Yeah, like
of
the
weight
motor's
is all
almost
on this
even with the
motor.
diameter of the rotor, and on the blue one, the motor's definitely not.
And
And this
what is
motor
this?
actually says
You have-
ARL,
Oh, you have speeds with it. You can
52
actually
volt,
use it as a
1000 watt.
bike. How much? Oh, wow.
It's stamped right on the motor.
Nice.
Ariel Rider 52 volt, 1000 watt, for better or worse. Some people may not like that on there, but it's on there. But you know what? We got this. We got our Class 2 sticker. That works.
Did it come with it, or did you buy it?
No, it came with it. They all come with it. Honestly, haven't even checked the settings to see if the speed is maxed out. It's so torquey as it is. This thing is a beast. We're gonna get ready for the ride. I'm gonna grab my gear and Rusty, and we're gonna head out. See y'all in a bit. Right, we got the bikes lined up. Yeah. Got all the popular brands here. Got rad bikes. Got Ariel Riders. We got electric. We got 2 supers. Woo! It's gonna be a blast. Rusty's around here somewhere. Hey, you. Come on. Always leaving. Come here. You can't mark every tree in the city, bro. Come on. All right, y'all. First DC ESK8 event of the year. Phil, you ready? Doug, you ready? Alec, you ready? Rocket. I know George is ready. I know the Scott's ready. The kid is ready. Let's go. First group ride on the 52 volt X class.
Ooh, your bike's looking good there.
Yeah, she looks good, man.
Black is beautiful. Red in it.
Batman let me borrow it.
Put some red smoke things in there, you'll be good to go.
Yeah, man. I was thinking something like that too.
Like that would be cool. Like red.
So this bike sits up just as high as the 48 volt X class. Not a bad thing, not a good thing. I'm 5'4", and you guys see how I ride this thing. Hopefully you guys can see the handlebars. Oh shit. Let's go, let's go.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life on its complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people, this is city. I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every break. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ice Place while we'd roll up a blunt, and me and Jack would get stoney, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't mind that. I book a flight to try to figure where my mind's at, a spot where I don't spend no money, just some time at. I mix and mingle with the people till I learn a little. I brought some weed and baby, maybe we could burn a little. She said you're funny, I said no, I'm Xavier, then I left. Sun shining, birds chirping, let me take a breath. I'm headed to the city where my chance to make it best. What people like to give a little, then you take the rest. I'm hoping one day maybe I can find a place to rest. I fell in love with life and wonder where it take me next. I like the hustle and bustle, I fell in love with the fashion. I feel the pulse of the city, it's moving me like a passion and it's mine.
Hometown, baby, we go way back. All the situations, circumstances, still we don't mind. Steady going on, I ain't dancing around the street lights. Hey, I know every street sign, hanging around the block like if you are my friend, then you are welcome any moment.